So in this video, we will learn about the pages tool in insert menu. Okay. Now, first cover page. So look, my document, my content is ready. Now in this document, I want to add a cover page. What I will do, I will go to this option. Uh, then here I will get a number of templates. I can select any one template whichever I'm liking. Okay, so suppose I'm selecting this template, I'm liking this, so I selected this. So now you can see it has automatically considered a title and the subtitles. So I have worked on multiple documents. That is the reason it understood that what will be my heading, and it automatically captured. Okay, but if you are working on a fresh document, it may not capture automatically. You have to write on your own. Okay, it has captured a date. Okay, you can mention your company name, company address. Okay, and that's it. The cover page is ready. Now I want to remove or change this cover page. Then what I will do, I will go to cover page, and I will click on remove current cover page. That's it. Now if I want to add anything, any other cover page, I can simply click and add. Okay, now I'm not liking all these cover pages. I want to see more cover pages. Then I will click here, and I can find there are three other cover pages. Not much option, but yeah, at least three are there. Okay, so this is about cover pages. Now next is blank page. I want to now look. I can see this is page one of one. Means total. There are one page in this document. Okay. Here you can see the how many pages are there, words are there. Okay, and the language. Now I want to add a page after this paragraph. So I will move cursor to this to end of this paragraph, and I will click on page break. Now you can see that another page is being added after this paragraph. Okay, now you can see page 2 of 3, actually 2 page got added. Okay, why 2 page? Because I wanted to add a blank page. So what it has done after this paragraph, it added a blank page. Okay, and after the blank page, then it continued with the existing content. Got it? Our instruction was to add a blank page here. Yeah. Now, I want to delete this blank page. So what I will do, I will click Control F. I will just enter on keyboard Control F. Okay. I will get the navigation box. In navigation box, I can see the pages. In pages, I can see the number of pages. I want to delete this second page. So I am simply clicking delete on the keyboard. That's it. So it is being deleted. Okay, now we can see there are two pages. Okay, now what I am doing, I'm just undoing whatever I have done. Okay, so click on undo. Got it? So I'm just resuming the document as it was earlier. Okay, so that's it. Now this is my original document. You can see total number of pages are one here. Okay, now we have seen that we have added a blank page. Now I don't want to add a blank page, but I want to shift this paragraph to other page. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to break the page. I have to break the page into two pages. Okay, so I have moved the cursor here, and I have clicked on page break. Okay, now you can see that on first page the first paragraph is there, and on second page the second paragraph is there. You can see there are total two pages. So no blank page added here, but the existing page got divided into two parts. Okay. So this is all about inserting pages. Thank you.